Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can fix a problem where your Cash Card on Cash App might be disabled. So let's get right into it. Now, what you need to do is just follow these steps, and I'll be using this LinkedIn article because I don't have Cash App in my region, so I'm not able to show you guys. However, it should be useful enough, and you should be able to follow without any sort of problems. Now, why it might be disabled with it, you being able to enable it, they might have detected suspicious activity, and they might have disabled it themselves. Security measures might be interfering with your Cash App card, your identity verification might not have been successful, and your account issues, which you have, such as violations of terms of service, could affect the status of your card. Now, to fix this, you can contact Cash App support by just going into your account settings, locating support, and locating either the exact issue or contacting them directly. You can either call them on a number, which I think is 1-800-969-1490, or 1940, one of those. I'm pretty sure it's 1940, and that number is available from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m., and you will be able to contact them directly. Other than that, verify your identity, clear the cache and reinstall the app if you need to, update any software which might be causing issues, and check for account issues in case your card hasn't been activated properly. Other than that, what you can do is, if you can't activate it, or if you can't use it before you actually get the physical one, you do need to wait for the physical one to arrive before you can verify your card and activate it, and after that your card should work. But other than that, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.